Hello friends, and once again welcome to today's lesson. The lesson today we're going to look at her. We also look at the j, the k, ku, and m sounds in Kikuyu. We start with h or h sound. So you have ha, he, he, ho, who, he, ho. And an example of a word is ha ha, ha ha. Ha ha means here in Kikuyu. Then there's nja, nje, ji, jo, ju, je, jo. An example is ja, ja. Yeah, not how it's pronounced. Ja. Ja means outside in Kikuyu. Outside. Then ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. And an example is keki. Keki is borrowed from English. It means cake. Kwa, kwe, kui, kwo, ku, kwe, ko. An example is kwaria, kwaria, kwaria. Kwaria means to speak in Kikuyu. Then you have ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. An example here is mami, mami, mami. Mami means mother in Kikuyu. You can also go ahead and see some other examples. We have mwa. W-A is mwa. Mwe, mwi, mo, mu, mwe, mu. A very good example there is mwaki, mwaki. Mwaki is fire in Kikuyu. Then we have na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. An example is nũgũ, nũgũ. Nũgũ is a monkey in Kikuyu. Go ahead, we have ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. An example there is rwĩgĩ, rwĩgĩ. Rwĩgĩ is river in Kikuyu. We have rwa, rwe, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. An example there is rwĩgĩ, rwĩgĩ. Rwĩgĩ is eagle, eagle in Kikuyu. An eagle, like the one that flies. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. An example is tata, tata. Tata is ant in Kikuyu. Note here that there are some people who will say ta, not ta, ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. There are some people who, from some regions, who pronounce this ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Tata, tata. And that's still acceptable. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to is acceptable. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to is also acceptable. We go to twa, twe, twi, two, tu, twe, to. For example, twaara, twaara. I put an emphasis on the double R, because if you remove one and say quickly twaara, twaara, there's a difference. There's twaara, fingers. There's twaara, which is take something to a place. Alright, so twaara, fingers. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. An example is thayũ, thayũ. Thayũ is peace in Kikuyu. Twa, twe, twi, two, tu, twe, to. An example is thwariga, thwariga. Thwariga is a gazelle in Kikuyu. Then we have wa, we, wi, wo, wu, we, wo. An example is wonje, wonje. Wonje is handicap, being handicapped or somebody that is disabled. Wonje is that noun meaning being disabled. Then finally we have the last set, which is ya, ye, ye, yo, you, ye, yo. An example is nguya, the last part. Nguya, nguya is termite in Kikuyu. Can even have a word starting with ya, like yaku. Yaku is yours. Yaku, yours. Right. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyu. An example, nyeki, nyeki. Nyeki is grass in Kikuyu. Then we have nywa, nywe, nywi, nywo, nyu, nywe, nywo. An example is munywo, munywo. The last part is nywo, munywo. Be uprooted. Yeah, it's to be uprooted. Good. So thank you so much. Let me now just explain again. And now using Swahili. Na tutaanzia hapa pahali ambapo tulifikisha mara ya mwisho palikuwa kwa ha. Na tulisema ya kwamba kuna ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. And haha inamaanisha hapa ama here. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju, je, jo. Kwa mfano ja, ja, ja is nje, outside. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. Kwa mfano keki. Keki ni keki tu kwa Kiswahili, keki kwa Kikuyu. Kwa, kwe, kwi, kwo, ku, kwe, ko. Kwa mfano kwaria. Kwaria ni kuongea, kuongea kwa Kikuyu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Kwa mfano mami. Mami ni mama kwa Kikuyu. Mwa, mwe, mwi, mwo, mu, mwe, mu. Kwa mfano mwaki. Mwaki ni moto kwa Kikuyu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Nũgũ. Nũgũ ni mfano ni monkey kwa Kikuyu ama tumbili kwa Kiswahili. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro, roe. Roe ni mfano ambao ni mto kwa Kiswahili. Rwa, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. Kwa mfano rwĩgĩ. Rwĩgĩ ni tai ama yule bird, yule ndege anaitwa tai. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Kwa mfano tata. Tata ni shangazi kwa Kiswahili, tata kwa Kikuyu. Twa, twe, twi, two, tu, twe, to. Kwa mfano twaara. Twaara ni vidole sana sana vya mikono, lakini pia vya miguu ni twaara. Twaara twa maguru, vidole vya miguu. Then you have ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Thayũ ni mfano na thayũ inamaanisha amani kwa Kiswahili. Twa, twe, twi, two, tu, twe, to. Kwa mfano thwariga. Thwariga ni gazelle kwa Kizungu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu, we, wo. Wonje. Wonje ni ulema ama kilema kwa Kiswahili, wonje kwa Kikuyu. Ulemavu. Wonje ni ulemavu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu, ye, yo. Kwa mfano nguya. Nguya ni termite kwa Kizungu. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. Kwa mfano nyeki. Nyeki ni nyasi kwa Kikuyu. Nywa, nywe, nywi, nywo, nyu, nywe, nyo. Kwa mfano munywo. Munywo ni uproot kwa Kiswahili ni uproot kitu sijikumbuki kwa Kiswahili, lakini ni uproot kwa Kizungu. Kupanda, uproot. Alright, so sawa, asanteni sana kwa kunisikiza. Thank you so much for being there. That's more details. You can always let me know where you have any difficulties, and we are going to sort them out. So kwa hivyo asante sana. May God bless you. Shalom. I love you guys. May the blessing of the Lord be upon you. Kirathimo kia Ngai gikorwo kina inyuĩ. Wacha baraka za Bwana zikawe nanyi.